Hello people. So, as I said in my previous video, my Note was in for repair and I got a new one. So I'm shooting this one with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and this is the first time I'm making a video with it. And in this video we're going to open another phone, which is going to be the... I still don't know how to pronounce this. Let's try with OUKITEL WP13 Rugged Smart Mobile Phone in black. Okay, that's a new model. It was released a couple of months ago. Price about £300. Link will be in the description as usual. Their boxes are amazing. Yeah, we can't go without it. Look at this. So it's a 5G one. Oh, you can see my light there. That's cool. So 5G one. What else do we have here? 6.5 HD plus display, 5G network, Octa-core MTech 6833, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. That's decent. 48 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel front camera, GPS dual SIM, big battery, fingerprint scanner. I'm tired just from reading all these things. The other thing I really liked about this one is the thermometer. So there is infrared thermometer, what they were calling it. Yeah, we'll get there. But first of all, let's open the box. Okay, this one is new, which is good. I think Amazon mostly fixed the issue with old things they were selling. Let's get the microphone closer so you can hear me better. Ta-da! Beautiful boxes. Well done. Boom. Okay, that is big. So we have the warranty certificate, battery information there. We even have a charging brick. How cool is that? We don't have this on more expensive devices, so that's a bonus. So that's what the phone looks like. Okay, let's take a look here. Blur camera, main photo camera, noise reduction microphone, that's cool. Macro camera, temperature measurement and flash. Oh yes. So UK standard charging brick. 2 amps, quite good for... Oh, sorry, I was pointing it somewhere in this way. 2 amps, quite good for fast charging. Okay, cable, thick one. Again, good for fast charging. And what? Wow. Okay. And of course the pin for the SD card slot. Oh, look at that thing. That is massive. I mean, I knew it's 6.5, but wow, when you get it in the hand. Okay, so here's the camera setup. It's pretty cool. Wow. Okay, let's take a look around. So we have, I guess, on and off button there. SIM slot here. No buttons on the top. It's IP68 certified. Yeah. Up and down volume buttons here. Another button here. So I guess one of these buttons is programmable, like on the previous OUKITEL we've got, which is quite good. Okay. Type-C charging port there. Do we have... No, we don't have the 3.5mm jack, which is alright. Not many of the devices nowadays have it. But yeah, that's good. Let's switch it on. Shall we peel this? I don't know. I don't want to peel it. But hey, come on. Come on. That feeling. Boom. All right, let's switch it on. Let's see how fast it's going to power on. Boom, boom, boom. It's a new setup for this video, guys, so if there are any issues, please excuse me. I just noticed that there is a screen protector pre-applied and I didn't manage to damage it, which is quite good. So under the information sleeve, you have a screen protector pre-applied. I chopped a little bit of this. Okay, there you go. Hello there, English United States. Here we go again. Yeah, let's just accept it. Skip. Setup offline. Continue. 91% battery charge. Yeah, I agree to everything. Skip. Skip. Boom. That was fast. That was fast. Good. Okay, let's take a look inside. Quite a lot of menus there, but I just want to see the system. So about the phone, as we said, the model is WP13. Android version 11. Last updated on 5th of June, so I assume that's when the phone was released. We need to double check this. Let's check the thermal camera, guys. That's what I want to see. So we have normal and macro mode there. AI, flash, manual, and quite a lot of different things. I want to see where is the thermal camera. Oh, there you go. Thermometer. Boom, right here. Ta ta ta. Cool. So we can measure people, objects. And there are okay, let's measure the temperature of, well, okay, so what's the temperature of my hand? 23. If we measure people, are we going to have the same measurement? Temperature out of range. Try measuring at the forehead. That's going to be problematic. Okay, I got it. 36. Yeah, because my hand is probably too cold, and that's why it's the thermometer detects that I'm probably dead. The temperature is 25 degrees or something. Cool. Let's measure. I don't know. Black things should be hotter than white things. So 22.2. 20. If I hold it, is that going to make it a bit warm? Yep, that is cool. I have absolutely no idea how accurate is that thing, but it is cool to have a thermometer on your phone, isn't it? Now it's a bit tricky because you don't actually see where the thermometer is pointing, but come on, still very cool. Close this, close that. What else? So let's see what's in the tool bag. Yeah. Okay, so we have compass. Yeah, these are pretty standard things for these guys from Oukitel. Come on, someone let me know how to pronounce this. They had this on one of our other phones, which was a lower end one, still pretty good. So we have an alarm bell, magnifier, protractor, so on. But guys, my first impression of this phone is seriously good. It's big, rugged, and this is not the cheap plastic you have in some other devices. It feels more like rubber, even though it's not. Pretty good. You have all these bump protection corners there. Screen protector pre-applied. Shall we try and set the fingerprint to see how that works? And then, of course, if you have other questions, you know what to do, just drop them in the comments. Okay, so we want fingerprint. I have no idea where is the fingerprint sensor. 1234 is a good enough password for YouTube videos. Don't show it. No, show. Yeah. Okay. So that's the fingerprint sensor there. Let's do this. Oh, no. Oh, that's very soft, this button. Okay, you need to be careful. Very soft. Okay, fingerprint. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this phone is fast. Yeah, there is nothing on it. I mean, it just started for the first time, but still a few of the other devices I tried, oh my goodness, until you get to this point it was taking ages. But after all, this one, even though it's got the MediaTek CPU, it comes with 8 gigs of RAM, so yeah. Okay, that is detecting the touches, getting there. Okay, setting it up nicely, move the finger around and so on and so on. You know how this works. Boom, done. Now let's try this. Lock. Boom. That is so good. Well, I'll tell you what. If this video makes it to 100 likes, I'm going to switch from my Note 20 Ultra to this one for a week. Any questions you have, you know what to do. Put them in the comments. Any tests you want to see, again in the comments. And that will be it, because this video is awfully long already. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.